What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUNRNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, we're doing up some beef ribs. They're going to be slow smoked over there on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. We're going to use up some of Uncle Steve's competition cow shake and his smoke bomb. It's going to be tasty. You know it's going to be good. Stick around. We're going to get right to it. Ingredients for your smoky beef back ribs. Some beef back ribs, of course. Thin cut or dino ribs, whichever ones you can get your hands on right now. Some Uncle Steve's competition cow shake. His smoke bomb. And some yellow mustard, or you can use olive oil, whichever one you choose. First thing you want to do is go ahead and score the back membrane. On beef ribs, you don't want to remove it because it'll fall apart, so you just want to score it. Now we're going to go ahead and start on the back. You just want to put a little bit on the back because you're not really going to have any meat or penetration, so we're just going to go ahead and start with the competition cow powder. Now we're going to go ahead and hit it up with that smoke bomb. Gonna go ahead and flip it over now. Now this is where you want to go ahead and load it up. Currently, Captain is not happy for some reason. Why, I do not know. I'm going to go ahead and hit the sides up off camera. Go ahead and start this charcoal. The smoker's running at 250 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and let them run until it gets 165. We've hit 165. Just look at that color. Oh, we're looking beautiful. We're going to go ahead and wrap them up in some butcher paper real quick. Then we're going to go ahead and throw them right back on the grill. We're looking real good here on the color. We're going to go ahead and spritz it down with some water. Like Uncle Steve always says, throw on a little bit more shake. And we're going to throw on a little bit more of that smoke bomb. We're going to go ahead and wrap it on up. We all good. So, we got these beef ribs. Let's go ahead and take a taste. They smell real good. Oh yeah. Melted in the mouth, pulled apart like butter. Great flavor. Nice peppery bite. That smoke bomb did the trick. Got to pick up some of that Uncle Steve's shakes. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.